So we're going to take a review of some things, if this wants to tell, okay, on being naive and looking stupid and wanting to win. Y'all remember that from last time? Y'all did a little bit of a review with Vanessa on some things. Yes? So when we talk about what business self-defense actually is, this is just a recap from last time as well. When we talk about what business self-defense actually is, it's how to anticipate, how to decide, how to respond, how to act, and how to engage. So why do we do this? How to anticipate. Why we call it business self-defense? Because defense is anticipating what your world reality of business is actually going to be like. So whatever it is that you're trying to do and whatever it is that you're trying to pursue, you have to be able to anticipate what's going to happen in that arena, that industry, that field, that opportunity, that connection, that open door, that environment, that climate. Y'all with me? You have to be able to anticipate. And defense is all about anticipation. When you're even talking about physical self-defense, what do they teach you how to do? Anticipate what your enemy might do, the way they may come at you, how to read their face, how to read their movements, how to read their body positioning to know which way they might strike. So defense is all about your ability to anticipate what's coming. The more blind, okay, dense, is that okay to say? Yeah, it's coming out today, y'all.
It's all right. I'm with it.
It's coming out.
You got the capacity. Throw it out.
Dense. Though your senses are, or the more in oblivion you are to the things around you, the more defenseless you are. A lack of discernment makes you defenseless. And discernment is all about anticipation and discrimination. Your ability to do two things, discriminate and anticipate. That is the textbook definition of discernment. The etymological root of it is the word intelligence. So the more you are intelligent is defined by your ability to discern. So your intelligence is in direct proportion to your ability to discern or discriminate between opposing things. So if you cannot see the difference, if you can't define, if you can't discriminate, if you can't see those fine lines and fine points and fine differences between things, then you can't anticipate. And if you can't anticipate, then you can't defend. You're always going to be blindsided, taken off guard, exposed and vulnerable. So business self-defense is to minimize the vulnerabilities you're going to have when you step into business, because you are aware of its climate, environments, expectation, rules, spoken and unspoken, seen and unseen, so that you can navigate.
Are you a startup or seasoned entrepreneur looking to take your business to the next level, but are in need of support and resources to do so? Zero to Business LLC's CEO, Dr. Tala Price, and her team are well equipped to service both startups and active small businesses. Zero to Business specializes in operations management, coaching, and consulting. We provide our clients with the tools they need to run a profitable and efficient enterprise. Our services include everything from business planning to customer service to providing our clients with back-end operations team and staff. We are passionate about helping your business thrive at its peak. Schedule your consultation today so that way we may assess the needs of your business and create a specialized plan of execution. Whether you are a startup or a current small business owner, allow us to work in your business while you work on your business. Schedule your appointment today.